everyone! Today we're doing some easy t-shirt cutting, so grab your scissors. For this tutorial, you will need a piece of cardboard or something to put inside your shirt, some t-shirts, a ruler, a pair of sharp scissors, and something to mark your clothing with. First up is an easy cutout shirt. Start by putting your shirt on inside out and marking a line down the center. Then mark out generally where you want the cutouts to be. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and use your ruler to straighten the line. Then mark out your cutouts. I made them 2.5 inches long, 1 inch apart, and 1/2 inch wide, which ended up being a little wider than I wanted. Then draw them out following your marks, making thin pointed ovals. Now grab your cardboard, put it inside your shirt, and carefully cut out your ovals. Then stretch the shirt lengthwise to curl the edges. Turn your shirt back inside right, and that's it. Next is a shredded cold shoulder shirt. First, put your shirt on inside out and make a mark at the lowest point you want your slits to go in the front center of the shirt. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and subscribe to my channel, and I measured 3 inches down from the top of the shirt at the shoulder seams and made a mark on each side. Then draw a line down the length of the sleeve at the 3-inch mark on both sides. Then connect those lines at the mark you made at the center of the shirt, so you should have one long line that runs from the edge of one sleeve to the other, coming down to a point in the center. Now grab your ruler again and make marks about 1 inch apart along the top of the shirt, stopping at the collar. Make sure the shoulder seam is in the center of 2 of the marks. Now use your marks to draw lines connecting the top of the shirt to our original line that runs across the shirt. These are going to be our strips. So continue to measure out and draw strips all the way across the shirt, adjusting the width as needed to make each side more symmetrical, and feel free to slightly curve some of the lines around the shoulder seam. Now grab your scissors, and we're going to cut along all of the vertical lines we just marked out on the sleeve section, stopping at the original line and also stopping at the collar on both sides. Now put your cardboard inside the shirt and carefully cut along the lines going from under the collar down to the original line. Now stretch all of the strips of fabric and turn your shirt back inside right. The last tutorial is a lace-up crop top. So put your shirt on inside out and mark out generally where you want the laces to go and where you want to crop your shirt. Then lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and use your ruler to draw a straight line across your shirt at the crop mark, and then make sure the lines for your laces are the same length. Now we're going to mark out the holes for the laces. So on each side of each lace line, make an odd number of evenly spaced dots, starting just above the line and ending pretty close to the bottom of the shirt. Now grab your scissors and cut along your crop line through both layers of fabric. Then from the cut off bottom of the shirt, cut 1 strip of fabric about a couple centimeters wide. Then stretch this piece of fabric and rip it or cut it into 2 separate strips at the seam and keep the strips for later. Put your cardboard inside your shirt and cut along your lace lines. Then cut small holes on all the little dots. Now turn your shirt back inside right and grab your laces. Starting on one of the slits, put your lace inside the shirt and pull each side out of one of the top holes. Make sure the lace is the same length on either side, and then cross them and then pull them back in through the holes below. Cross them inside and pull them back out the next holes, just like lacing up a pair of shoes. When you get to the bottom, tie your laces together in a bow. Then repeat on the other side with your other lace. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthodol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.